Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and get started. First of all, I am finally going to show you the cards I've been meaning to show you in my past two previous videos and completely forgot to do so. So here we are. That's the first thing I'm going to do so I don't forget again. All right. So the first card I'm going to show you is a very special card I have made for my son who's turning 18 years old this coming Sunday. So this is for you, Chris. I love you, my darling. And I just want to show off your card. Okay. So this is the front of the card. Very simple. And I did use my Cricut for this. Wait till you see the inside. So very simple in the front. Love it. And now take a look at this. How beautiful is that card? Absolutely gorgeous. Check her out. Look how gorgeous that is. That's for you, my darling. I love you. Happiest birthdays to you, my dear son. So this is for him. Okay. And I'm going to show you some holiday ones. So this is a very simple one as well. Look how beautiful she is. It's just a Christmas one. And I did write inside. But look at her. Gorgeous Christmas bells. My next card is a layered one. Multi-layer. I forget how many layers this one was. But when I tell you it took me forever to put this together, it did. But look how gorgeous she turned out. And you can put in your sentiment. I put something in the back, but check her out. Look at the details. Look how gorgeous that is. Absolutely beautiful. Tell me what you think. Been learning so much. I am enjoying this so much. Now I have another Christmas one. Check this one out. Look how gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And again, a sentiment inside. Look at that. Tell me what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Go follow Jennifer Maker. She is wonderful with these teaching. Well, I've learned so much from her channel. Check this, another multi-layer one. Look at this. Gorgeous. How beautiful is that? Look at that. Beautiful. And it has a little sentiment inside. Absolutely beautiful. And I have this same one I did in a different color palette. And I'm going to show you that. Look at this. How gorgeous. How beautiful is that? I love it. I want to do this design in reds. Again, a sentiment inside. These take a long time to make, but I love it. Tell me what you guys think so far. I have two more to show you. Check this one out. How beautiful is that? Love it. So I'm getting kind of like very simple inside. I'm getting a box of cards ready for all occasions. So, and then look at this one. Look at this one. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful. How gorgeous is that? Love it. So there are the cards finally. I am so sorry. I kept saying I'm going to show you, kept forgetting about it. But finally, you got to see the cards. I hope you like them. I love them. And we're going to put that away. We're going to show you now my next order of business here. Yes. So my painting from my previous video has dried. I absolutely love that color palette. So I'm going to show you that right now. It dried beautifully. Take a look at this one. Gorgeous. Tell me what you think. Look at the shine it has as the light reflects. And it doesn't have the resin yet, but I'm sure it's going to pop once I add resin to it. Tell me what you think about this one. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Love to hear from you. Look at that. Gorgeous. All right. So that is what I have for you to see. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm liking flooding the canvas and then bringing you in because it cuts a little bit of the video editing part. If you have questions, send me a message. Leave a message in the comment section below. If you have questions about flooding or my ratios, check video number 50 for my mixing video. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you once again. I am flooding with Flow Acrylic Black by Artist Loft. I am finishing up my Artist Loft and moving on to Oxide Black by Amsterdam. But in the meantime, I want to finish my Titanium White or Flow Acrylic Black by Artist Loft. It still works for me. The one that I don't use is the Titanium White because that one seems to like just eat up your colors. So, but the Artist Loft Flow Black is still good. So, without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. All right, everyone. So I am working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. My canvas has been flooded, as you can see. I did use the Flow Acrylic Black by Artist Loft that I had in my container that I showed you. And now I'm going to show you the colors. So I am going to be starting with Peacock Teal by DecoArt. I haven't used this color in a while. I want to see what design I want to do. Okay, so I think I'm going to go here like this. Okay. My next color is going to be Pearl Space Gray by Arteza. I'm loving this gray. So we're going to go right there. I'm trying to go right down the center of that Peacock Teal. My next color is going to be Sea Breeze by DecoArt. Love that color. And I'm going to swirl this one. Okay. Oh, I love the contrast of those colors already. My next color is going to be Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. And I'm swirling in a different direction. Kind of like knitting. That way I get some of the colors in the same. There. And my last color is going to be Pearl Cream by Arteza. Okay. So those are my colors. Let's move this out of the way. We're going to go ahead and pop the air bubbles coming to the surface. And we're going to go ahead and begin. And I'm going to start in my center here. Oh wow, I love it. It's so subtle. I'm gonna bring this knob in a little bit. I don't want this out too much. And I'm just gonna use my finger to bring this over, just like that, and tie it right there. And I'm going to soften this piece here. Beautiful. Okay, guys. I am going to torch it out a little bit. I do see plenty of air bubbles. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love the cells popping up here as we're talking. Look at this here. Beautiful. And I love the way I blew it out. I love how that black kind of broke the design through. I'm hoping it doesn't fall over the edge here. And I like the negative space in this area right in here. So I'm going to clean up my edges. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, take a look at this beauty. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the movement that this painting has. I love the blowout. And more importantly, love the cells. So let me bring you in for a close-up. I'm going to start from down here. Look at the cell explosion. Check out the clusters. Love the webbing right in there. Love the shades of blue, turquoise, and that soft pearl glacier. Love it. I'm sorry it's getting a little distorted. Let me move back a little more. Love how it changes direction right here. And here, look, I kept it from falling over. Hopefully it stays that way. But we're going to go ahead, continue to go up here. Look at the cell reaction here between these paints. I think the DecoArt is reacting beautifully here. And I love these colors against that black. What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget, if you're interested in any of my art pieces, they are available for purchase. Email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com and tell me which piece, which video you saw and you're interested in, and I will respond to you. So there you have it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. Bye.